Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing good. Welcome back with another new video tutorial. In this video I will tell you about the keyboard settings in your device Realme Narzo 50 Prime. So if in this device you want to change the keyboard settings, or if you want to learn about the keyboard settings, or you want to do them, you can easily do it by the method as I will show you in this video. Before starting it, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn about the keyboard settings in your device. Let's watch the video.